Living with chronic pain can feel overwhelming, isolating, and sometimes hopeless. But I want you to know something important. You have what it takes to live pain-free. Yes, you heard that right. Pain-free. Unfortunately, like many others, you've probably been caught in a broken healthcare system. A system that too often focuses on masking symptoms rather than addressing root causes. You might have tried various treatments, medications, or therapies, only to find temporary relief before the pain returns. Let's understand why this happens. There are two distinct types of pain, acute and chronic. Acute pain is your body's alarm system. It warns you of injury or danger. It's protective and temporary. But chronic pain, that's different. Chronic pain persists beyond normal healing time, and here's the crucial part, it lives in your brain. You see, when pain becomes chronic, your brain actually rewires itself. It creates pain pathways that become stronger over time, like well-worn paths in a forest. Your brain becomes hypervigilant, triggering pain signals even when there's no immediate threat to your tissues. This is why treating just the painful area often doesn't work. We need to address the brain's pain processing network. Most people don't realize this brain connection. They get stuck in an endless cycle, chasing symptoms from specialist to specialist, never finding lasting relief. Why? Because they're missing the crucial piece. Chronic pain is an output of the brain, not just an input from the body. This is why we've developed the pain to posture model. It's a comprehensive approach that addresses both your brain's pain processing and your body's structural alignment. First, we focus on breaking the pain cycle through specific therapeutic modalities and movement patterns. This helps override those pain signals in your brain, promoting positive neuroplasticity, essentially rewiring your brain for wellness instead of pain. Then we correct your posture. This isn't just about standing up straight. Proper posture ensures your joints move correctly, your tissues experience optimal loading, and your muscles work in balance. Think of it as creating the perfect environment for your body to function pain-free. But we don't stop there. We teach you how to maintain these improvements through proper movement patterns and postural awareness. This is crucial for preventing pain from returning and maintaining your long-term well-being. To achieve these results, you need a comprehensive approach from a qualified posture expert. They'll perform a detailed examination to understand your unique condition and create a personalized treatment protocol that addresses both your brain's pain processing and your body's postural needs. Remember, you have what it takes to live pain-free. Your journey to wellness starts with understanding this crucial connection between pain, your brain, and your posture. As we always say, it's posture by design, not by circumstance. Don't let pain control your life any longer.